Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a Renton condo complex called Molasses Creek. It's a great community and you don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen Jackson. I'm a residential real estate agent with John L. Scott in Renton, Washington and the surrounding areas. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and do that right away and hit the little bell for notifications. I don't want you to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I put a new one out every Wednesday and you'll learn lots of tips about buying and selling a home. So let's get right to it. You can find the Molasses Creek condominiums off of Highway 169 in Renton. They have a great commute location as they are just about a mile or so away from Interstate 405 as well. There are 143 units in the complex, and the size of the condos range from 706 square foot to 1,571 square foot. There are 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units. Across the street is the Maplewood Golf Course. The Cedar River is also across the street, as well as the Cedar River Trail, which is a great trail for walking, biking, and roller skating. Ron Regis Park is also nearby. There are baseball fields and soccer fields there. There is also a leash-free dog park nearby. The condo complex has many fun amenities. There's a pool, a hot tub, a fitness center, a playground, and there's cabana rooms that you could rent out for parties. So what did you think? It's a great community, right? If you have any questions regarding Molasses Creek or any other communities in Renton or the surrounding areas, please post a comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.